children, how are you today? So today I have an activity for the elves. Do you remember who are the elves in our class? No? Okay. The elves are Camilla, Sofia, Desiree, Lisa, Pietro, Fabio and Pierluigi. Okay, this is the activity for you. Can you recognize what are these shapes are? Okay. What is it? It's a rectangle. And that is a circle. This one is a square. And that one is a triangle. Can you find something of these shapes in your bedroom? I found something in Giulio and Pietro's bedroom. And these are the circle, okay. This is the square, it's a Lego, okay. And that is a book, it's a rectangle, okay. And what about the last shape? Can you remember? The triangle. I could find only this one. Can you recognize it? Okay. You have to color all the circle in red. Okay? That means this one, that one, and that one. Do you remember what is red? No? I hope yes. But the red is this one, okay? The color red. Okay. It's a hole. Okay. See you tomorrow and bye-bye, guys.